Hi, this is Brad with WisconsinGrassroots.net, and you are currently watching tutorial number 4. In this tutorial, we're going to discuss a feature within the personal interface called Personal Info and Privacy. And if you look in your little personal interface here, you're going to see this link right here, Personal Info and Privacy, and we're just going to click on that. And that's going to bring up your personal info and settings. So if you look inside here, you're going to basically see everything that you had put in when you registered, and there are certain things in here that you can change. Obviously, you can see here that I have a phone number of 222-222-2222. So say my phone number were to change, or I want to use a different one, or I don't want to use one. I can actually go in here and change it. So what we'll do is we'll put in 111 111 1111, and as you can see, it has changed our phone number. So, and you can do that with other ones too if you need to change them. So the next thing you're going to see is upload your image, and by default, if you look at your personal interface, you can see that it just gives you this default image. Well, if you want to change that, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go and click on this little button here that says Browse, and by doing so, you just have to navigate to where your image is located, and I have it here, so I'll just click on it. And this is a JPEG. JPEGs work best if you can get it in that file format. There are a couple formats that don't work, so you might get an error message. So but okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to upload the image, and as you can see on the side here, it has changed our image that we had before to our new one. So now I have an actual image. So now the next thing you're going to see on this inside this page is you're going to see add search personal description tags, and we have a tag system so we can help associate people in groups with searches. So I have, if you look down here, I have some tags already set up: human rights, school teachers, school, education, human. You can basically put tags inside of here to basically allow people to be able to search you out more easily if you choose, if you set up your tags appropriate. So for example, let's put in here just teaching, happy and human people. Okay, so I just came up with some random ones. Teaching, happy, human people. So we're just gonna create personal tags, and as you can see, they've shown up here. So we have human, happy, and human people. And how it works is by putting a comma, you basically create a new tag. So for if you want to put a whole bunch of different tags together, just make sure you put a comma in between each one, and they'll show up separately down here. So now if we wanted to delete these, all we have to do is we just have to click that X next to them, and then so as you can see, it's been. So let's see if we can delete happy. So we don't want happy there. So happy is no longer there. So that tag has been removed. So you're limited to only 50 tags, and as you can see now we have 44 tags remaining. So if I were to actually remove human, you can see that now it's 45 tags available. So it just allows you to keep track of how many tags you have. So a max of 50 tags, and it won't let you exceed that. So the next thing on the list is basically a privacy stuff. It's really basic right now. Basically how we have it set up is you're otherwise private or you're public. So I'm just going to leave it as public, and so everybody will be able to see me. So that is everything that is inside the personal information settings tab. So like I said, this is all within the personal info and privacy link here. So the next thing I'll be discussing is the messages tab here, and then we'll move forward. So, all right, well, that is the end of this tutorial, and I will see you later.